Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back again. So I just wanted to share a stamp and die set. Well, it actually comes with a stencil as well. Stamp, die, and stencil set that I received. Actually, I purchased from Altenew. I like Altenew. I am beginning to love it more and more. Excuse me. I'm thinking of buying their whole coloring system because I'm a whole collection kind of person. Kind of. I don't know. Anyway, but I love this stamp set. It's a PLUMERIA stamp set, like I said, and it is from Altenew. And this was the, I think it came in a set. And so it comes with this stamp here with these sentiments. Aloha, thank you, with you, hello, oh thanks, miss you, love you, but this pretty PLUMERIA. Yeah, so it's only about the PLUMERIA part of it is about 3 1/4 by 1, 2, 3, 4 1/4. 3 1/4 by, oh no, not even. 3 1/4 by 1, 2, 3, like 3 1/2. 3 1/4 by 3 1/2 is the image size of the PLUMERIA cluster. And the set is called Exotic PLUMERIA's Outline Stamp Set. There it is. Here's the SKU at the bottom. Right there. But you can go check it out on their website. And look, they give you some suggestions on how to color it in. So it looks like a PLUMERIA. And those are their inks. So love it. So it came with that. It came with 2 stencils, and it's called the Exotic PLUMERIA Simple Coloring Stencil Set. They are 6 by 6, and it tells you, you know, the dark, the light, and all of that. It gives you suggestions on the colors if you want to redo this. But yeah, so that's the stencil, and then it does come with a die as well. And the die cuts out the Aloha, the thank, and the you. It has a shadow piece as well as the die itself. And there's the die set. So yep, Exotic PLUMERIA die set, outline stamp set, and simple coloring stencil set. All 3 of them. Love it. And Altenew, check it out. I will link, maybe I won't actually. Some Altenew stuff I have doubles of because I've bought 2 or 3 of them for friends and then it didn't work out or whatever the case. So some stuff I have extras. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of Altenew stuff. Excuse me. I'm gonna be sharing a lot of Altenew stuff because, as I said, I am liking them. And yeah, so stay tuned. If you've made it this far into the video, I do have an Altenew stamp. Nope, it's not. It's just a die set. Altenew die set that I am selling. This retails for $36 on their website without any special or anything. And I am selling it for $30. That includes the shipping, so shipping is free, $30. If you are interested in it, leave me a comment in my description box below or email me at my email, which is in my description box below as well. But I've cut out a whole bunch of pieces. I've put together just one background piece, so you'll get all of this stuff. But this is what it comes out. It's orchids, and it's called Craft the Flower Orchid Layers. And yeah, so it is used. But like I said, I'm including all of those cuts that I made there. And then this background piece that I did put together there. And you can just mount it on an A2 size card base and add a sentiment and call it good. And here is the instructions on how to layer them and how they go together. So like I said, it's 30 bucks, free shipping. Let me know in my comments below or email me that you are interested in it. So that's it for my exotic plumeria share. I guess maybe I'll show you these. And you can see, like, I use a darker orange and then yellow on the outside to give it tone. And then this was like a peach and orange-ish. And then the same. I forget what I put on this. I think I tried to put like some splatter or something. I'm not sure. But I like this background too. The embossing folder. This pretty. Okay. So anyway, that's what I've got for you. So I hope you guys are having a crafty day. Found this inspirational. Let me know if you're interested in this Altenew die set. And yeah, for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas!